side.
We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs.
The YouTube is dead.
Listen here, now, that ain't working. That's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working. That's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Money for nothing. And the chicks for free. What's that? Look at that, look at that.
So the Crab Festival started in 19... what?
You didn't introduce yourself.
Well,
I thought you was introducing yourself.
I was going to do that in a different video.
All right.
Because I'm going to replace the beginning one.
All right, all right.
So I'm going to just do that second one where we messed it up.
All right, all right.
So the Crab Festival started in 1977. In 2013, it was taken over, or should I say they had problems.
In 2013, it started having.
In 2012, it started having problems.
In 2012, it started having problems, and just leave it at that. And then go into, in 2012, it started having problems, and the owners were no longer going to be able to host it anymore. And then we took it.
So the Crab Festival started in 1977. It ran for 36 years before they started experiencing problems. Hold up. So
Cut. Take two.
So the Crab Festival started. Hold on.
No.